Hello guys, my name is Devesh and welcome to my channel. This is the 31st video on the series Python for Beginners, and in this video we will learn how to pass arguments to a function. So far we have seen what are functions, how to write them, and how to return values through function. Okay, now let us see how we can pass arguments or parameters through function. But before we do that, let us take one generic program. Okay, so I'm going to take two variables, say x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 6, and then I'm going to write a program to check which of these two variable is carrying the maximum value. Okay, so let's write the function for it. So I'm going to say def and I'm going to name this function as largest number. Okay, largest num, and then I'm going to check if x is greater than y. I'm going to say return, oops, there has to be colon, then I'm going to say return x, else return y. So what this program is doing, it is going to check whether 5 is greater than 6, which is false. So in that case definitely y is greater than x, so I'm going to say return y. So I have compared these two numbers, and in that case I am getting the largest number out of these two numbers. Okay, and to call this function I have to invoke it, so I'm going to say largest number, and if I run this I'm not going to get anything because I have to print this. So I'll write print here and let's run it now. So we are getting 6 here. Okay, so we are getting the largest number out of two numbers. Now why I wrote this program is I wanted to demonstrate these two variables at the top. This is the hard coding. Okay, and when we write a program we don't want it to be run with hard coded values. Instead what we want is we want to pass these values dynamically when we are calling this function largest number. Okay, so let us see how do we do that. So first I'm going to remove these two numbers from here. Okay, now that I have removed them, I have started getting error here, x and y, because these are no longer defined. So I'm going to write my numbers here. Okay, so let's write the number as 12 and 15. Okay, and now 12 and 15 are the two numbers which I have to pass to this function. So I'm going to say x comma y. Alright, and let me run this program now, and this time we are getting 15. And if I turn this now the advantage that I have by passing values in this manner is I can pass any values. Like I'm not restricted to some hard coded values. And I can also, let's pass this time in negative, -1, -2, -12. Yeah, what exactly is happening here in background, these two values -1 and -12, these values are assigned to these variables. So -1 is assigned to the first variable which we have written here, which is x, and -12 is assigned to the second variable, which is y here, and these two values are getting compared. Okay, please note that this assignment happens sequentially. Okay, so if you flip this order here like y comma x, okay, at this point of time y is equal to -1 and x becomes equal to -12, and if you run this program now we are getting the largest value as -1. However, it is coming from this block, and if you want you can put a print statement here just for our understanding. Largest num is y, and put a print statement here as well. Largest num is x, and let's write a print statement in front of it, print, and let's run it now. Okay, largest number is y and it is -1. And if I flip the sequence again and let's run it now, largest number is x. So take a note that the assignment of arguments to the variable happens sequentially. Okay, So that's how you can pass the arguments dynamically and remove hard coding from your function. That's all for this video, and I'm gonna see you at the next lecture. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please do post them on the comment section.